Hello, geometry students. We are going to finish up section 2 with diagonals of parallelograms. So you're going to recognize and apply properties of the diagonals of parallelograms. And we need to copy down these theorems into your packets if you have not done so. So go ahead and pause the video and copy these down. Okay, so the abbreviation part you could write in the open space below the number. This 6.7 is saying the diagonal of a parallelogram bisects each other. So what it means to be a bisector is that these two pieces are going to be the same. So AP is congruent to PC, and we can also say that DP is congruent to PB. And also a diagonal makes two congruent triangles. And why is that? Well, think about this. The diagonal is kind of like a transversal. So we're going to have alternate interior angles. And therefore, we're going to have side, angle, side. Or three sides, rather. Side, side, side. So just know that we have two congruent triangles when we have a diagonal. So let's use some of these theorems we used from Friday and from these new theorems. So we have a parallelogram QRST, and we want to find the value of each variable. So go ahead and take a moment to copy this down. All right, so let's solve for x first. 5x is over here and 27 is over here. We can set those equal to each other because we know opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. So we have 5x equals 27. Therefore, we know x is going to equal 5.4. The next one is y. So we have 2y minus 5 and y plus 4. We can do that because we know diagonals bisect each other. So when we do that, we can add 5 to both sides, subtract y from both sides. We have y equals 9. And then for z, z is right here. Now remember, we have two congruent triangles when we create a diagonal. And so remember that we have alternate interiors. So we have 3z, and that's kind of weird to look at. 3z this looks like a 3 right here. 3z equals 33. So then we have z equals 11. So rewatch this portion of the video if you don't understand how I got those. Again, we're just using the theorems that we have learned. There are 6 theorems total in this section. I would like you to record your answer below or submit it, please. Please don't forget to do that because then I can't tell if you watched the video or not. So you're going to solve for z and y, and you can go ahead and put them into the two answer spaces listed below. All right. Everybody have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.